In classrooms across Pakistan, young girls are rewriting their futures with confidence, resilience, and the skills to navigate life beyond school. They are stepping into a world of new possibilities. This is Achieve Pakistan, an initiative of King's Trust International and Pakistan Alliance for Girls' Education, dedicated to shaping a generation of empowered young women.
Given our cultural environment and our cultural challenges, most of the time girls have very little support at home, especially when they're coming from very vulnerable families. So making sure that the girls are better skilled, better prepared, and better capable, they can take care of themselves when it comes to their futures.
What can be better than associating yourself with a program which is supporting the young female kids in Pakistan? As far as Zindagi is concerned, we are really happy that we have been able to support these girls, and we want to support many more of them as well. So it's very important for us that we play our part, and I think Achieve has given us the platform.
360 young girls have participated in Achieve Pakistan across 10 schools in 5 cities. Through 17 hours of interactive learning, these young girls have gained vital soft skills in communication, teamwork, and problem solving, building a foundation not just for academic success, but for life. The program has equipped them with resilience, the ability to navigate challenges, and the courage to dream bigger than they ever have before.
स्टार्ट में जब अचीव का इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन आई वाज टेकिंग, तो बच्चे बहुत ही खामोश और बड़े पैसे अंदाज में बैठे हुए थे, एंड देयर वाज नो लाइफ इन द क्लास. लेकिन जब जो सेशंस होते रहे तो वो बच्चे इतने डेवलप्ड हो गए थे कि वो एक्टिविटीज़ में बड़ा पॉजिटिवली पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे.
मुझ में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि अगर मैं कुछ बोली तो गलत अगर होगा तो सब हंसेंगे मुझ पर, या टीचर से डांट मिलेगी, तो इस वजह से मैं डरती थी और बातें नहीं करती, ना किसी चीज़ में हिस्सा लेती थी. जी प्रोग्राम के बाद मुझ में कॉन्फिडेंस आ गई है, मैं लोगों से बात कर सकती हूँ, रीडिंग भी कर सकती हूँ और प्रोग्राम में हिस्सा भी लेती हूँ.
The Achieve program is not just changing students, it's transforming schools and educators too. The program aligns with broader efforts to improve education quality and accessibility in Pakistan by equipping teachers with innovative teaching methods and fostering an environment of active participation. Achieve is redefining learning experiences.
जिस वक्त ये प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हुआ तो हमें इसकी अफादियत का या इसके मौसर इफ़ेक्टिवनेस का हमें इतना अंदाज़ा नहीं था, लेकिन इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू हम लोगों को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली कि हम लोग बच्चों के साथ खुलकर तबादला ख्याल करें, आपस में बातचीत करें, और बातचीत करने के साथ साथ हम उनके मसाइल को जान सकें.
अचीव प्रोग्राम ने मेरे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस पैदा किया, तो मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया. उससे पहले मैं बिल्कुल चुप और घर में भी मैं बहुत चुप रहती थी. जब मैंने आस्ता आस्ता अचीव क्लास में के सेशन देना शुरू किए ना, फिर जब मुझे क्लास में नहीं आता था ना, मैं फिर भी बोल देती थी, और फिर अब मैं घर में बोलने लगती. मेरे घर वाले कहते हैं ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम है जिससे अब आप चुप ही नहीं होती.
Beyond the classroom, Achieve has taken learning into the real world. Through exposure visits to professional settings, students meet women in leadership roles, role models who show them what's possible. These visits have proven to be more than just field trips. They are windows into future that once seemed out of reach.
जब महक होकर आई, जब मैंने उनको देखा कि एक औरत होकर वो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस से, इतने मतलब कि उन्होंने इतना कुछ सीखा छोटी सी एज में, तो मैं उनसे बहुत इम्प्रेस हुई. और मैंने उनको जब देखा तो फिर मेरे अंदर भी एक किस्म का जागा कि मैं भी कर सकती हूँ.
From Islamabad to Peshawar, Rawalpindi to Lucky Marwat, Achieve Pakistan is shaping a generation of empowered, resilient young women. Every lesson, every discussion, every challenge overcome is a step towards a future filled with promise and possibility.
We are working towards developing a better ecosystem for these girls to not only do their education but take their skill set in parallel and increase that skill set in order to be competitive in the industry and in order to be competitive in this country and in this world as well.
At Pakistan Alliance for Girls Education, our vision is to make sure that girls in Pakistan have access to good quality education and growth opportunities, leadership opportunities. And this is where Achieve comes in. It really fits in with what we are trying to do through Pakistan Alliance for Girls Education, ensuring girls don't drop out of education, they stay in school and are learning the right skills for their better futures.
Every girl deserves the chance to succeed. Every dream deserves a chance to become reality. Join us in empowering the next generation of leaders in Pakistan. Together, we can create a more inclusive, prosperous future where every girl can prove herself as a contributor to society, a change maker, and a future leader.